Hello students, today we will going to learn subject GK. Lesson number 1, some common instruments and machines. Picture of some common instruments and machines are given below. Under each picture, write the name of the instrument or the machine. Select your answer from the list of instruments and machines given at the end. So here list given, we have to select this answer from this list. Okay, I already selected here. This is the magnifying glass, microscope, magnifying glass, microscope, binoculars, swing machine, telescope, we have poem telescope also, gas lighter, telescope, gas lighter, vacuum cleaner, clinical thermometer, telephone, microphone, photocopier machine, computer, calculator, tester, geyser, drilling machines. All these answers write in your GK book. Now complete each of the following statements. Select your answer from the words given at the end. You have to select answer from here and write here. A geyser is used to heat water. We use binoculars for watching a cricket match at the stadium. We use binoculars for watching a cricket match at the stadium. Now, a clinical thermometer is used to measure the temperature of a sick person. A clinical thermometer, where is thermometer? Here. A clinical thermometer is measure to temperature of a sick person. A tester is used to detect the presence of electric current. A tester, where is tester? Here. A tester is used to detect the presence of electric current. A palmist uses a magnifying glass to read the lines of the palm. This is magnifying glass. A palmist uses a magnifying glass to read the lines of the palm. हातावरच्या रेषा बघण्यासाठी मॅग्निफाईंग ग्लासचा उपयोग करतात. We can talk to our friends staying miles away from us with a telephone. We can talk to our friends or teacher also staying miles away from us with a telephone. Now next. A vacuum cleaner is used to clean the house. A vacuum cleaner, this is vacuum cleaner, is used to cleaning house. is used to cleaning the house. A pathologist uses a microscope to observe blood cells. A pathologist uses a microscope to observe blood cell. This is microscope. Microscope. Now next. In public meeting, a microphone is used to address the gathering. In public meeting, a microphone is used to address the gathering. Microphone. This is microphone. Everyone saw this, huh? You saw that microphone. Now next. Nowadays, most shopkeepers use a calculator to work out sums quickly. Nowadays, most shopkeepers use a calculator to work out sums quickly. A gas lighter is used to light gas burners. A gas lighter is used to light gas burner. Where is gas lighter? Here. This is gas lighter. Now next. A drilling machine is used to make hole in the wall. A drilling machine is used to make holes in the wall. Now next question. A photocopier machine is used to produce a copy of document, illustration, etc. Xerox machine or photocopier machine. This is photocopier machine. Photocopier machine is used to produce a copy of document, illustration, etc. Xerox machine means. A telescope is used for watching heavenly bodies. A telescope is used for watching heavenly bodies. आकाशातले ग्रह तारे बघण्यासाठी टेलिस्कोपचा वापर करतात. So kids, all these answers write in your GK book. Okay, thank you.